What's up, you guys? My name is Javier, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about WatchOS 10.2 that just released. So starting off with the size of this update, updated yesterday, this comes in around 218 megabits. That's also depending on the device that you're coming from. I'm currently running a Apple Watch SE, and so the build number for this watch is 10.221S364. So what's new with WatchOS 10.2? So the biggest letdown of WatchOS 10 was we couldn't swipe back and forth between watch faces. But now with 10.2, we have that feature back, so we can swipe between different watch faces that you have on your watch. Enabled this feature, you just click on the digital crown, scroll down to settings, and we will go down to where it says clock. So we hit on clock there, and there'll be the first option there, swipe to switch watch faces. You can always toggle that off if you want to. I will leave that on for now that I have the ability to swipe between watch faces. So I'm just going to leave it there with Snoopy. I do like that watch face. So you'll be able to update Siri with your you'll be able to update Siri with your health information, just saying Siri log my weight. It looks like I just found out for older models like the SE, you are not able to do that. So if we enable Siri, log my weight 200 pounds. So it doesn't look like it's working. It doesn't log that information. So let's see, let's lock it. Log my weight for 200 pounds. No, so it doesn't look like it's working. Even if we go to our settings, health, and down to where it says apps and services, it doesn't give me an option for Siri. It looks like for older devices. If you do find a way to enable that feature, please let me know down in the comments below. So that feature is only available for Apple Watch Series 9 Ultra and above. So let's dive into the fitness app here. So if we go to our settings here, we scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says workout, tap on workout, and it's going to give us end workout reminder and end workout confirmation. So before it used to just give us end workout reminder, but now it gives us the option to end workout confirmation. This will enable end workout conversation. So it just bypasses the end workout. So if we go back out to say a fitness, and let's just go to any of these here. We'll start a workout real quick and to show you the difference between toggling that setting on and off. So let's wait here. We'll start the workout and we'll swipe down here and end workout. And it'll just confirm to you if you wanted to end the workout or pause it. We could just end the workout right now. So if we go back to our settings, turn this off, go back to our workout. Let's try a different one here. Start this workout. And so we'll just let it go for a second here, go here, hit end, and it'll completely end the workout. So if you're not wanting to bypass confirming you're ending your workout, you could always turn this off and so if you completely turn off the settings, it'll end the workout completely. I just would let's leave it on in case if you accidentally hit the red button, it'll confirm to you that you want to end the workout completely. This 10.2 also helps with the feature with name drop enhancements. So if you bring a iPhone closer to the watch, you'll be able to transfer information quicker, but this feature will only work on Apple Watch Series 9 and above. So this feature also helps out with adding a new watch face on the Apple Watch app would not appear on the Apple Watch. So if I were to create a new watch face from the app, it would not appear on my watch. So if you had that issue before, now it's resolved. You'll be able to create a new watch face and it'll automatically add it to the watch itself. So when it comes to battery life, I'm running an older watch, the Apple Watch SE, and let's dive into the battery. And I'm at currently 87%. from this morning, I've noticed that the battery has improved for older devices that lasted throughout the day. And if we go down to where it says battery health, optimized battery charging as well turned on, and maximum capacity 84%. So, like I said, this watch is about a year or two old. I normally don't upgrade a watch every year until it fully dies. So the question is, should you update to WatchOS 10.2? Absolutely. If you have an older device like I do, definitely will help you out with the battery life, also with other bug fixes and security updates as well, and performance. And if you do have a Watch Series 9 Ultra 2, definitely should upgrade as well to help out the performance and battery optimization and battery life. Also brings new features to newer watches where you could ask Siri to log your health data, weight, calories, steps. So yeah, if you do have an older device like I do, definitely update that for sure, which will help out the battery like I mentioned before. It's lasted much longer for me throughout the day and definitely helps out with performance. There's not that much big features to this update besides having the ability to swipe back and forth between different watch faces. So let's answer the big question, what are we expecting next from WatchOS? We're definitely going to be seeing WatchOS 10.3 later next year in January, possibly early mid-January or in February. We definitely might be seeing WatchOS 10.1.1 in the first or second week of January. So, but that's mostly for bug fixes and other improvements. So that's basically it, you guys. That's WatchOS 10.2. A lot of bug fixes, minor patches, and new features. Well, features that we had before where you can swipe between different watch faces. It does help out battery life and performance for older devices, and bug fixes and features, patches here and there for newer devices. So, along the whole Apple line. So, definitely do update if you are having issues with performance wise or battery. So that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys did enjoy this WatchOS video, please let me know down below what you think. Give it a like if you haven't yet already. Hit that subscribe button somewhere over there. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.